Start that music. Nope. Damon, start the music. Damon, play the music. Damon, play music.
Your wish is my command.
It's fine. It only took 1,000,000 tries. Alright. Let's get this party crazy.
Crazy it shall be.
Alright. So now is take, let's see how many. Take a lot. Take 4 million, let's say, of getting, oops, that's not what I want, go away. Take 1 million of getting this this stream bot to work, or this one particular command to work, which is up here. It's just issues with the blob, But you know what, I did just have an idea. I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna console log this guy. Oops. And we're gonna see if doing this somehow miraculously reveals the error in our ways. Armed and ready. So it had an error, but it didn't actually log it, which is funny. Oh, there it is. Object argument must be blob, yeah, so that's the same thing we've been seeing forever. Let's get this open. And let's just go straight to the URL. So, okay, right there. It is an image, and everything is as it should be, so we've got the URL right. So we can scratch that off the list of things to try. But for whatever reason, this isn't giving me a blob. What it seems to be giving me, according to this console log, is, although I don't trust it, is it's giving me an empty object. Which, like, I don't know why it would be doing that. Also, I just want to quadruple check. And you know what, whatever. Doesn't matter. So that's what we should be seeing right there. We should be seeing that in the chat, but instead we're faced with an error. And this interaction failed error. So but it's so dumb because it says the object argument must be an instance of a blob, received an instance of blob. So like, it's like, it should be this thing. It is this thing, but it should be this thing. No, I already checked this one. So like, yeah, right here, it's like just brutal. It's not, and the Google research, the Google results are giving me nothing. So I'm just gonna do this and make it very specific, because it is quite a specific error that I'm getting. But that gives me 2 results. So I don't think that's right. Let's just check that. Oh, nope, we're not gonna check. Wow, holy cow, that was just some random IP address I tried to go to. Let's not do that. But yeah, why isn't it? So Node.js will say blob. Let's just say Node.js blob. Node.js can't create blobs. Here we go. Now we're talking. Okay, so that's like, he is quite literally creating a blob. in recent okay, so convert binary. Get a blob from URL node.js. Fetch blob from a URL and write it to file. I feel like this is going to give me the same crap that I'm already seeing, just writing it to a file. Wait a minute, res.buffer. That's new. That is totally new. What's up? What's up? What's up? Create object URL. So let's see, res.buffer. Sweet, that's actually a thing. All right, let's go. Let's see. Create object URL buffer node.js. Object is a file, blob, or media source. Let's just try and throw it right in there. Why not? Let's just try this out, see if this works. Still failing. So now it's saying it. Now it's actually giving me an error that makes sense. So I'm going to search this one. I'm just going to search that bit right there. So buffer from that, array buffer. Okay, maybe. Let's try it. Create object from monster image is the buffer. I guess dot buffer is just the property that it should have. So let's try this random junk and see if it works. Oh, would help if I entered it. Still failed. Okay, so now it's an array buffer, which also makes sense because that's what I'm converting it to. But since node 16 blob can be imported, wait, let's console log this bad boy and just see if there's like any hint of data in here. Because that's possibly what the problem is that like node's not giving me any data from the thing. So it'll still fail, but look, there's data in it now. Excellent. Okay, good. Since node 16 blob can be imported, so we'll do this. And then it's a buffer. So okay, but then what are they converting it from in here? They're not really, but global this dot blob equals blah 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 whatever. And you just pass in an array. So okay, let's try this. We'll go yoink. Hopefully that exists. And then we'll say new blob, and we'll pass in all this stuff. New blob. And then it says whoa, calm down. It's expecting binary like, so let's try monster image directly first. And just hope it works. All right, here goes. Yowza. Failed. Now what's this saying? Invalid form. Ooh! Invalid form body. We got a little further. Buffer.blob is an experimental feature. This feature could change at any time. Okay, well, it seems to have worked. Invalid form body. Okay, what are we passing in as the image? It's an object. So let's just console log it and see what we get. Down here we'll say console.log image URL, and we'll just return 2 for good measure, just so we don't get all this other stuff. Alright, here we go. Trace warnings? What? Oh, blob. Oh, it's a blob. Why is it? Shouldn't it be making a URL out of that? Let's see. Node.js create object URL. Returning blob. You know what, let's just say this. Let's see, what else can we do? Create object URL. That's create object URL of a blob. Yes. So new blob, hello. Oh, what is resolve object? Oh. Aha. Interesting. So we'll say image ID. Interesting, interesting, interesting. We'll say resolve object URL, and we'll say image ID. Let's try that now. How about that? Don't love that it's an experimental feature, but like, whatever. Can always patch it later if it breaks. It still didn't work. Resolve object URL is not defined. Right, okay. We can work with that. We can work with that. Okay, all right. Whew. Let's try this again, shall we? Come on, image. Damn it. Okay. Could not interpret that as string. Wow, you're so hurting. What is other? Okay, so what do you return? Because I don't want the size. No, damn it. I want resolve. Hey, can you listen to me when I tell you search? There we go. Those are literally the only two places. Are you serious? Come on. I just want docs for this, baby. That's not what I'm looking for at all. All right, come on now. Let's see. So what does URL do, I wonder? New URL, URL base. That seems like another thing. How is this not coming up? It's in these docs somewhere and it's like a thing. Okay, let's just see if we can... There, what does it return? Alias. Oh, it's experimental. That may be why I'm not finding anything on it. Resolves a blob node data. Resolve object URL. Let's just console log it and see what properties it's got. Man, this is way more work than I was expecting, but it'll be worth it. Let's just log image ID, and we'll log resolve object URL image ID. Maybe, just maybe, there will be a property on here that actually lets me do a thing and get an image URL, because that's literally all I want. This shouldn't be like a really hard thing to do. This is what's killing me. All right. So here we go. Blob, blah, blah. Blob, size, that, type, that. So it just resolves it back into a blob, but I want a URL, right? Wait. Maybe the URL isn't publicly available. Maybe that is the URL, but it's not. Oh, yeah. Yeah, because how would it access it? Let's just look up Discord.js get image and display it. No, not get image. Fetch image and display it. Detect image and respond. No, that's not what I want. No, this is all checking if... Oh, attach image from URL Discord API. Cool. Discord.js. Oh, from a URL. No, because that's easy. What I need... Wait a second. Discord.js attach image blob. Set embed image. Thumbnail, that's again just an image. No, that's not what I want. This is cray cray. This is cray cray. let's just go in here and search blob. Nothing. Okay. What are we sending back? We're sending back a embed, a message embed. Embed. Oh, message embed image. What was that? Hello. Oh, it's just a URL. You suck. Discord.js upload image. Make Discord bot send picture with message with Node.js. Thank you. Files. And it's a URL again. Awesome. Send. Okay, so we're doing send. So let's find send or reply. I don't know, whatever. We'll just say text channel.send. Okay. Options. Now we've got a message payload. All right. Now message payload has data files. Here we go. Message file. Buffer or string or stream. Awesome. We win. Message file. So how do we do all that? Let's see. Files. So data files. Oh, property options, message options, base message options, files. So okay, we can do this. New payload with base message options. So instead of an embed, actually we'll keep the embed, ditch the URL on it, but we will do this. Say files is an array, which makes sense, of message file options attachment name. Yes. Okay, so we'll just do attachment and we'll pass in not that guy, but so it's a buffer resolvable. So let's just pass in the monster image, right? That makes sense. And then the name can be literally just name. Okay, getting spooky. Let's see if this works. All right, here we go. A whole other way of doing it. So this might be the key. Oh, still interaction failed. Come on, mother. Image ID is not defined. Oh, well, that's probably an old console log. Yes, it is. Goodbye. Boot up again. All right. Rocker slice. What is it? Is it an image? Oh, it is. Yes. Yeet. Now we just have to make it so it's an image, not a random file download. Oh, I know why. Just because I didn't put the thing on it. Name is, I hope, name.png. Let's do this. Let's go. Yeah, buddy. Quest. Yeah, dude. A wild titan body appeared. Yeah, 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 yeah. And I just had a thought. Okay, that's quite enough from you. I think we have what we need. That was a journey, but I can't believe it was so much simpler than I thought it was. But anyway, it's fine. I'm over it. Let's do another one, just see if we get a random one. Yeah, Wild Titan Strangler has appeared. Or appeared. Let's say it has appeared. Let's change that. Just trying to think of a cool way we could track like its health now and do something that everyone can interact with. Like, what if we automatically made everybody in like I'm just thinking like Discord JS, make everyone. Nah, see, that's because then that means everyone has to be online. So like, I don't know. That wouldn't really work for like a huge community. I wonder if I could like start a thread for the fight. That would be cool. Discord.js start thread. Threads. Hell yeah. Popular topics. Threads. Creating and deleting threads. Channel.threads.create. So we'll do this. We'll say do we have access to the channel? Yes, interaction.channel. Const monster thread equals await that dot threads dot create name. Oh, but wait, there's more. Right before we reply, we'll do it here. We'll say thread is let's just say name can be name for the monster name. Auto archive duration, do you need that? I'm just gonna leave it. Reason is defeat the defeat the name. Oops. Name. Oh, I wonder if I could update that and like show its HP there or something. That'd be cool. So we'll go like that. Oh, I just thought of something even cooler, but I'm gonna just calm down because I'm thinking of too many things at once. Gotta just do it one at a time. Joining and leaving threads. Okay, that's useful for when you kill it, I guess. Monster thread. Await interaction dot channel threads create name, boom, and then we'll say monster thread. Hopefully that works. I don't really know, but I'm just gonna go for gold here. Wait. Uh-oh. Why is my... Uh-oh, my computer's freezing up. Uh-oh. 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 Why is my terminal frozen? There we go. Holy cow, that was scary. Armed and ready. Let's do this. We'll say quest. Oh, active threads. Tildebot started thread Frost Demon. Oh yeah, dude. Active threads Frost Demon. Nice. Hahaha, that's amazing. Dude, yes. Now we'll have special commands where we can attack and stuff. I declare that done, but now I'm going to add another one for thread fight system. This thread will archive after 24 hours of inactivity. Okay, okay, I can live with that. Cool. What happens if I shut this out? Does it keep the thread in Discord? It must. Okay. And Frost Demon is still in there? Alright. Oh, you know what I can just do? Why didn't I think of this? Oh my goodness. I'll just keep a reference or something and then just update the embed with like a HP bar. Oh, with hearts. Yes. We can use .set footer. Oh, you know what? I do still need that. That one. That's the one I need. This is pixel encounter. We want monster details, and I just want an example. Thank you. We want to see, so it's got elements, it's got attributes, actual attributes, whatever that means. Level, nice. Okay, level we're gonna use. So we'll say a wild, a level, 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 blah, 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 has appeared. Or, nah, let's just keep it as a wild, blah, blah, blah has appeared. And in the footer, we'll say, hopefully we can put new lines in here. We'll say level, level, and then for now I'm just gonna put, oh, you know what? Because it's Discord, I can do this. Heart. Oh no, come back. Heart. Heart, heart, heart. I wonder if there's like a half heart. Heart. There's a broken heart. I think I could use that instead of a half heart, like smashed hearts. Where is, I know I saw, so there's ID, element, oh no, that's a different one, hold on. Level, I'm sure I saw health on here somewhere. Where is it? Properties. Damn, where is it? Darn. Stupid thing. Raw. HP. Health. Hit. Damn, okay, guess not. Oops, let's keep that open. I guess I could like calculate a health rating for it based on, I don't know, its endurance. Let's just use endurance. So we'll say attributes. We'll say const endurance equals attributes, and then we'll say, let's just look at the average endurance we're seeing around here. I don't know what plugin I installed for JSON stuff. Oh, endurance 1, endurance 2. Some of them have real low endurance. Oh, some of them have 0 endurance. That's not going to work then. Okay, hold up. What else can we use? The levels, oh, that one only is level 4. Whatever, you know what? Let's just give them 3 hearts to start. See how this looks. I'm gonna try this out. Also, you know what, before we do this, let's change out the name of this command to you know what, actually I like quest, because maybe this is how you start little side quests and they're not all monsters, but like they could be monsters, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So actually let's also just verify that the quest command can only be run from where? If command name is quest and interaction dot channel ID equals I'll turn this back on so they can hear us.
So what's on the go here?
What's on the go is I'm trying to make a bot for my Discord server.
What is a bot?
So it's like a person in the chat, but it just automatically will Just trying to make it so it stops freaking out here. Whatever. It's just gonna freak out for a while. Sorry, people. It's basically like a robot that is in your chat.
And what's a chat?
A chat, you know, like
You're talking to
texting.
someone?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
texting, but it's on Discord, so it's like groups of people. So see, this is my Discord. So these are all the people on it. There's 5 of us online and then 5 of us offline. So there's 10 in total. And one of them is a robot that I make, or 2 of them are actually robots that I'm working on.
Okay.
Or this one is just a robot that I used. It's an open source one that I found, and this one Tildabot is the one I'm working on now.
Yep.
So it's a little weird, I know, but watch, check out what happens here. If I go, okay, armed and ready. So here, if I type /quest,
Yeah.
I'm making it so it starts like a little text adventure
Okay.
in the server, and all of the people who are members of my server can then come into it and like do the quest together, but it's a
Yeah.
little multiplayer text quest.
Okay.
So right now all it does is it'll spawn a random enemy,
Okay.
but watch, if I do this, it'll go like this. So I hit that one, sending command. Oh, it broke. Hold on, I messed something up here.
I gotta get my glasses so I can see better.
That's okay. I'll you can if you want. If you
Okay.
if you want. I don't want to monopolize your time. But
You have all that down here?
not like last night over time, but
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, hold on. So that broke something here. That was on line 57, so let's find 57. Oh, because I put that in there maybe. Whatever, I'll just leave that out for now. 57. It should work, but anyway. Maybe it's busted. I don't know. That might have just been a one-off. Let's try it again. So if I go like this /quest, it'll... Oh, right, you don't have the glasses though?
No.
Okay. I'll try to make it better by the time you get back.
Okay. I got a better job for you right now.
Yeah, what's that?
Yeah, come on up.
Okay. It's just I'm on with some people, so like...
Yeah, it's only quick.
Okay. I'll be right back, people. It's a little more advanced, but same kind of idea. All right, I be back. I be back. That's what I thought. Subtitles. Okay, here we go. Booting quest. Boom, storm squealer. It's weird that this interaction failed. It still reports as failing even though it does the thing that I want it to do. Maybe you have to return something. JS maybe? JS baby? Sure. Ooh, that looked more promising. Interaction failed. Discord JS v13.
Okay.
All right, anyway, there's a little bit of a weird bug there, but okay, so ready for this? So I've got my server, my bot is online.
Mm-hmm.
And so this is our chat room. There's 5 people online, 4 technically, then the robot.
Okay.
And then check this out. If I type /quest, it's a special command for the robot.
Okay.
And it'll start a quest. Right now it only does like a fight. That's the only type of quest it knows how to do.
Okay.
But I'm building that first, and then I'm going to build out different types of quests. So,
okay.
quest, and then it shows Tildabot started a thread Rock Fiend. So then you can see all the active fights, I guess, and you can join it. And look, there's the Rock Fiend.
What, they're fighting or what?
That's like what you're fighting.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, pretty good, eh? So that's what you're fighting, and it says, oh, look at that, that kind of worked. It shows what level it is. It's level 156, and it says a wild rock fiend has appeared.
So it's a tough one, eh?
I guess, yeah. And then and then I'm going to start making other commands that you can use to attack it and stuff.
Yep.
Or like maybe I'm just going to say like have it, I don't know, you cast spells at it or something, but you do that all by typing.
Yep.
So you can play it on the computer or you can play it on your phone. It doesn't matter.
I got a question.
Yeah, sure.
Nothing else happened on that after
No.
I got that fixed, eh?
No, it's been good.
Yeah. Okay.
Look at our subtitle.
Oh, that's what you've been putting in there?
That's just what we've been saying. Because it listens and it'll write what we say.
Okay. So Kirk's cleaning up the kitchen, eh? Okay, away you go.
Yeah. But yeah, so that's one of the things I've been doing. Another thing I've been doing is I've got it so it automatically will check if anybody in the server starts streaming on Twitch or whatever, and then it'll say, boom, so and so has just gone live, and it posts a link to their stream.
Yep.
Like automatically if they start streaming and they're a member of this server.
Yep.
So yeah, pretty good, eh?
Yeah, I guess so. I mean, that's what you do, right?
Yeah, I know it's all super nerd level stuff, but that's okay.
Yeah, the nerds are pretty good at times.
Oh yeah, especially nowadays. Nerds rule the world.
What I want to do,
We have
to get a set up a whole bunch of stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what I'm looking for is I see this stuff here.
Yeah, just for now.
It's not really what we should be doing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should be putting that into a box.
Yep.
And then, because that's what it's for, right? It's the blue one, right?
Okay. Yeah. The blue bins.
That's what we put it on, and it worked pretty damn good, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Well, especially when you're in here too.
Mm-hmm.
So that's is that garbage or?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think garbage.
Yeah, that's just from last night. Those are the snacks I got.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all.
Oh. That's good. That,
Oh yes, and then getting the snacks. I just didn't want to wake you up. That's why I did a bunch of stuff down here.
it's fine.
But yeah.
I thought you were going to be staying at your girlfriend's place.
Yeah, I thought so too. That's why, because I woke you up when I first got home, so I didn't want to
Yeah.
go upstairs a bunch and wake you up more.
Yeah. And then with all this stuff that's in here, Kirk.
Mm-hmm. Whoa. Alright. I should be back for a while now. So let's see here. What else we got? So I guess doing the Discord things in there doesn't work, but what does work is doing these ones. Let's just put it down like that. Let's just do like a text health bar right here. No, actually I don't want to do a text health bar. I want to do let's just do a numeric value for the HP. That's easy enough. Question is what value? I guess they're level times like 10. Or they're level times 9, so it's a little bit harder to let's do also math.round. Just assign this to a variable for now. We'll say math.round, call this const max HP is equal to that, and then we'll say const HP is equal to max HP, and then we'll say HP out of max HP. Ugly code, but hopefully it'll show up okay. So let's reboot this. We'll make another enemy. Blessed monster. Oh, nice. You can even bring it up on the side. That's sweet. Blessed monster. Level 8. HP 72 out of 72. Nice. That's sick. Although /n is quite aggressive. I would really like to just display it all on one line, you know? Let's just do it like this. We'll say, because we also got to think at some point we're going to have to parse this when we start editing the message. So if I put brackets around it, this is going to require a lot of cleanup in my server after I'm done all this, but it's totally worth it. Frost Cheeker. Oh no. A wild Frost Cheeker has appeared. Why don't we say level that dash dash that? I don't know. Maybe let's do square brackets. That looks a little cooler sometimes. Dust Fang Brute. That's sick. Level 54. Oh, nice. That looks pretty good. I'm kind of okay with this now. Like, level 54. Maybe I should just do it like this. I don't know. HP. I wonder if it, I doubt it supports it, but I'm just gonna try. This would be sweet if I could support this. But even if I can't, you know what I'm thinking? I don't have to put this in the embed. I don't even really know that I need an embed at all. Here we go. Heated Ophidian. Cool. Yeah, no. So those don't work. But you know what? We don't need those. Or maybe what we could do is we could, because that's, oh yes, oh yes. Do set timestamp and we'll just use this as the hit points. So I don't know how we're gonna work this out, but you know what? It can be a percentage system, so they can just have 3 hearts. Just like this. And then there was another thing for this. What was it? Not embeds, it was content maybe? Yeah, it was in here. Content, yes. A wild name has appeared. I'm also thinking, why don't we just keep the level as the footer? Level is level. Now the content's where it's going to get ugly, but that's okay. We can work with that. Except no, it's not, because yeah, straight up, this is going to be sweet. I wonder if I can italics it as well. Oh, unexpected identifier. I have a syntax error. Sure enough. Funny how that works. Okay, here we go. Storm Squealer. Didn't we already get one of these? Yeah, Storm Squealer right there. Level 23. Do they get random levels? No, they don't, but that's okay. Definitely gonna put some spaces between the hearts. But that looks pretty sweet. Maybe just a break line here. Or we could do, oh, but how on earth are we going to do backticks in the backticks? Can I clear that? Yeah, I think I can. Nice. Okay, let's try this on for size. Hola. Oh, we got an error. What is our error? Oh, weird. It's another one. I think that was another one of those weird edge cases, but we'll get back to that. Oh, no, it just took a while. Shiny Hunter. Yeah, boy. Wild Shiny Hunter has appeared. I like the idea of them having more hearts if they're harder, though. So let's come back to that. Yep, that's all good. That can. So we need like a max rating here. Right, so we have all of these. What we can do is find the highest level one and base it off of that. So let's see here, raw level. Okay, so there's 171.4. 171 is the number to beat. Yeah. Can I do this in a little bit? Yeah, it's just... Okay. Alright, so 171 is currently the highest level I've seen. 171, 171, 171. 156, but still 171 is the top. Okay, yeah. Okay, thanks. 171, 171. 171. Oh, what was that? 55. 171. 197. Okay, that's the new best. 197. Oh, that was it. 197. Okay, so 197 is the max level. So let's just jot that down. So 197 is the max level for the given range. Excellent. So we're taking the HP, we're getting the HP by multiplying the level by 9 and rounding it. I don't know if that's actually necessary. I feel like it's not, but whatever. I feel like that's only a thing if you divide. I know math. I'm super professional. But from that, let's find out what our max health is. Calculator. 197 divided by, no, what am I doing? Oh no, 197 times 9. So that's our max health right there. So if we get, yeah, why don't we just do it like this? So equals max health, and we will we'll say let num hearts, or we'll just make it a constant. We'll say const num hearts equals we'll say max HP divided by max HP divided by the actual max HP. We'll call this const ABS max HP equals 1773. So we'll say max HP divided by ABS max HP times 100. Wait, no, times 10. That would shift the decimal one place, I think. Let's just test it out. So say we had a character who had, say we had a character who had a max health of 500, which would expect to be about a third. So there's your third-ish, times 10. So you got 2.8 hearts. We'll seal it. So we'll say math.seal that. So that in this case would be 3 hearts. So what we'll do then is we'll say let heart string equals empty string, and then we'll say for let h equals 0, h equals 1, h is less than or equal to num hearts. We'll say not I, we already called it h, so h plus plus. We'll say heart string plus string plus equals heart. And we'll say if h greater than 1, heart string plus equals space. So that way we pad it with spacing, but only if it's not the first one. Okay. And then we just have to drop that heart string in here. Okay, let's take a crack at this. Let's go. Close out of that now. Hallowed Strangler. I love it. Hallowed Strangler. Ooh, he's weak. Level 20. He's only got 2 hearts. What a noob. So we're basically all set up for a damage system now, realistically. And I had a thought on how we can quite easily get the first, well, the spoiler alert, that's how we're going to do it. We're going to get the first message in the thread, and that will always be a reference to this guy, so we can edit it, tweak it, etc. Just got to reply to my mother. She's coming over. So when she comes over, when my mom comes over, I gotta end my stream. Sorry, guys. Be right back. I need to collect coffee orders. Dad?
Is this a lot of noise for you?
It's a little bit, but it's not a big deal. I'm trying to be more chill on my streams, so I don't really care. It's all good.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we need to start thinking of damage stuff. And also I want to like confine the commands to certain channels, I guess. So first things first, we know we can get channel ID. So let's just first of all console.log interaction.channel ID, just so I can see what it is. And we'll get out of this one. We're not in that fight now. We'll say /quest. That's it. And should have undefined. Great. Dot channel ID? Yeah, channel ID. Maybe? Let's just check the docs so I save myself a little time. Say enter. Ooh, my computer's lagging out again. Oh, come on now. Now Chrome's frozen. Bet you my stream has a memory leak or something. I mean, at least it's still running. That's nice. It's frozen, but it's still running. I might have put too much on my stream all in one go here. Oh, this is frozen too. Okay. Last time this, when it was done, was no longer made it fine. Everything's fine. Everything will be fine. We just have to be patient. So we'll just, oh, what? Even VS Code is frozen? Oh my god, my whole computer is frozen. No, it's not. Ah, get wrecked. Const channel ID equal, say const channel ID equals interaction. Sure. We'll just put that for now, and then we'll say, we're just gonna pseudocode this basically, except with real code, so it's not really pseudo, but whatever, you get what I'm saying. Channel ID is equal to some channel. Now, that's command name quest. Now, what we want to do is we want to put else if command name equals attack and channel ID. Yeah, I gotta find a way of storing this now. This is where it's gonna start getting a little more interesting. Well, there we go. So this should be unfrozen now too. Yeah. Interaction is what we're looking for. So interaction created at guild ID. I'm looking for channel. Channel ID. Okay, so channel ID does come directly from interaction, so that is valid. Let's just console log channel ID. And don't be that. Oh, yeah. Equals the thread ID. The thread ID, question mark. Attack thread leader, thread enemy, thread monster. I need more coffee. Okay. Anyway, we got channel ID, so we just have to check what it is now. So we'll boot that back up. Run this. Quest. That's the channel ID of general. That was already the channel we had there. So we're hard coding this for now, but at some point, we're going to want to make this a configurable variable based on the server. I don't know. So what can we do now? We can so right now we need to store the channel ID of the thread. I'm assuming it has a channel ID. Let's just look up thread channel. Perfect. Guild ID, so it has a guild ID. Last message ID, is there a first message ID? Because that would be useful for my uses. Owner ID, parent ID, oh, parent ID, that could be handy as well. Type, unarchivable, no. What do I need again? Just channel ID, right? Oh, ID, the channel's ID. So it's just an ID in this case. So let's see. So we've got our thread ID here. Let's just, for now, I'm just going to persist the state in like a terrible window variable. It'll be fine. Nothing terrible, nothing bad could ever happen doing things like this. Yeah, nothing bad could ever come of this. This will be fine. So we'll say let data store equals, or we'll call it guild data equals guild ID. And then we'll say, make it an object. We'll make a property called let's just uncomment all this for a minute, hot second. Guild ID property is, or the property is guild ID, which is an object, which contains maybe can we keep that just in case I need a bigger one for all my stuff?
So that's for the blue, right?
It is, but can we keep that one for now?
Yeah, I'll keep it up here.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Back in
Thanks.
rid of it.
Okay, cool. Anywho, guild data equals guild ID, and the guild ID is an object which contains active quests, which will be thread ID, and then whatever data we want for the quest, I guess. So let's just comment all that out for now. And this is where the magic's gonna start happening. What's up?
Just seeing if there's anything else.
Okay.
I think that's pretty good for now.
Yeah.
What about all this stuff here?
I haven't eaten that yet. That's snacks.
Oh, your other food's up there too.
Yeah, I'll come finish that in a minute. I'm just eating slow this morning.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. All right. Where were we? Here we go. So monster thread, which will have an ID. So we'll say active quests. So so first thing we'll do here is we'll say, so if they've started a quest, we'll say, actually we'll do it at the end. We'll update all the data at the end. So we'll say if type of guild data. Now I need the guild ID. Right there, guild ID that the channel is in. So I guess we can just get that from the thread. Monster thread dot guild ID equals undefined. So if that equals undefined, we'll say guild data, and I'm being terrible here. I'm just mutating everything. Monster thread dot guild ID equals that. So we'll just say terribly init guild data. Actually, what we'll do is we'll init it with active quests. Is that how I did it? Yes, active quests is an empty object. And then down here we'll say if type of guild data monster thread dot guild ID monster thread monster thread dot ID equals undefined. I have to make sure I heavily comment this because this is the kind of code that will give you terrible headaches if you aren't extremely careful, and really you just shouldn't write it at all. But anyway, c'est la vie. I love you, but anyway, I love you. Nice try. Anyway, so now we'll say terribly init active quest. So now we'll say this is equal to a new object, and now this is where we're going to start defining the properties of our active quest. So for starters, I wonder if we get like something back from this. What is thread.send? Returns a promise with a message. Perfect. Monster message equals await that guy. Now we'll say monster message ID is monster message msg.id. Hopefully. Let's just check here. Application ID, author, channel ID, created at, deleted, edited, flags, ID. The message is ID. Perfect. So now that we have the monster message ID, maybe what we can do is take the HP and the max HP and we'll assign them. So we'll say, let's just actually make this monster. We'll say MSG ID, message ID, and then we'll say So we've got the message ID. Then we want HP, max HP, level, and I guess that can be it for now, because what is there anything else that we're actually storing that's important for these? Frost Demon. So we just got their health, HP, or their HP, health, slash health, level, their name, I guess name, maybe. No, but then thread has the name, so yeah, we can access that already. So we're good. I think that's all we need. You know what I will do though? I'm also just gonna say quest type, and we'll say battle. Just because I want to extend this in the future and have different quest types. So that's pretty good. Now, we want to say command equals attack. We're not even going to check a channel ID in this one. But what we will do, wait, can I? No, I want to just keep it all in the threads. That's how I want to do this. So now I'll say if type of got it right above me. Why am I scrolling so much? If type of guild data interaction dot guild ID is not equal undefined, and we'll also put another comment here. Actually move that one up there, just put this one here, and we'll say type of guild data interaction.guild ID does not equal undefined, and something, but I want to explain what I'm doing here too. Check if active, check if in monster thread. So we want to say and type of guild data interaction guild ID dot active quests, and we want to put interaction dot wait, don't we already have channel ID? Yes, I think we do. Yeah. Oh, whoops, forgot to reply to my mother. Why don't we put this into a constant just to make it more understandabler? Yes, perfect. Let's say check if in monster thread. I'm also going to try and play my music and just see what happens. It's too quiet. Shuffle music.
Swapping tunage.
Oh, right, that's what happens. It doesn't play. It shuffles it, but it doesn't play. Balls. Whatever. Oh, I've got an idea of how to make it play. Let's try this. Hold on. I don't know about you, but I live the thug life. Oh, it still doesn't even play the thing. Okay, whatever. Clear costume.
Boring.
Oh, geez. Crashed the stream. Okay. Oh no. Alright, hold up. Oh, hold up. Wrong camera. There we go. 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 Actually, probably a good thing that we're refreshing
Ready
the
to
stream,
roll.
because I feel like there's a memory leak somewhere. So first we'll just put all this in a Boolean. Let's get this party started. Oh, let's get this party crazy.
You want crazy? I'll show you crazy.
Alright, so we'll do check if in monster threads. So yeah, so we have, right, we have all the condition already. I just need to name it. In monster thread equals, or we'll say is in monster thread. There we go. Now we'll say if is in monster thread. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do something. We're going to attack it. So how do we do this? We'll say, I guess we'll have to get the monster, which will be not all that, but we just need this. Say we'll say const message ID HP, and that's probably enough, equals that. Oh, except gotta put that too. So now what we've got is the message ID and the running HP. Oh, I guess we do need the max HP too, because we need to calculate the percentage here. Is that how I'm doing it? I don't know. We'll get to that. Just get it for good measure for now. Clear it out later if we need to. So now how do we fetch a message by ID? Hey, no one asked for you. I want you, not you. Now let's find message. That's how you're gonna be? Oh, we are on message.
This isn't yours, eh?
No, that's Sean's.
For sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Make sure she takes it out.
Yep. Okay, so we'll say guild data, active quest, blah, blah, blah. So we've got the message ID. So I want to get the message, get message, fetch message. Oh, fetch, if I saw something, fetch webhook client. That's not exactly what I'm going for. Let's just say client. No, what would it be? It would be from the thread, probably. Thread channel. Get fetch message. No. Oh, it's somewhere on here. Scrolling furiously. Fetch. Oh, fetch starter message. Hell yeah, we don't even have to store. Wait. Yeah, we don't even have to store. Yes, perfect. So we don't even have to store that now. Boom. We just have to store literally the metadata. So now we'll say const monster message equals I don't even know. Oh, and so we don't need to await that either. Sweet. A little tiny bit faster. Interaction, that's what I was trying to say. Interaction dot channel. Right? This isn't the channel, is it? Thread channel, yeah, so that'll do. Channel dot fetch starter message. Yes. Fetch starter message. Let's just see what arguments, if any, this takes. Base fetch options. What is all this? Cache force. Oh, yes, we will want to force it, probably. So we'll say force true. Now, does it return a promise? Probably. Fetch starter message. There it is. This only works when this thread from a message. This only works when the thread started from a message in the parent channel. Otherwise, the promise will reject if you. Oh. And. Well, fine then. I guess we can't do it this way. But we can do it the way we were going to do it originally. Which has all that. Monster thread. Monster message. Monster message ID. That's what we want. Okay. So. Now. What we're going to do. Fetches this channel. Now I want thread channel. Let's just say fetch. Why does it not scroll anymore? Stupid. Send. Say fetch message. This is all webhooks again. Oh, message.fetch. Okay, what's this? Fetch this message. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. This is gonna be dank. Away message component. If I pass, like, what happened? Does it have a constructor that I just like pass an ID into and then get it or something? Discord fetch message by ID. Channel.messages.fetch. Okay. Oh. Fetch message. Oh, it's no longer preferred, so we want fetch. Okay, so we'll say interaction channel dot messages dot fetch fetch pinned or or fetch. Okay, so we want fetch. Maybe I should make it a pinned message. That'd be kind of cool too. But anyway. And we want to just pass in the message ID. Terrific. Now, what we want to do is we want to say, so interaction channel, so that's getting it for us, and it is returning a promise. So we'll say const monster message equals await that. Okay, so we got the monster message. Now we need to edit it. Discord.js edit message. Okie dokie. So we'll say message edit options or message payload. Excellent, so we can modify the payload too. So we'll say monster message.edit, and we'll put in a message payload. We'll just update this one with the embed, a heart string, which we'll recalculate. Recreate message. Now it's interaction. Message options, no. So I'm just gonna try and leave it out and see if it doesn't merge or if it just totally overwrites it. We'll find out. Now, we'll pass in message payload, interaction.channel, that's right. Now we need to get the level as well. So now level is set. Now we just need to set the heart string, which is going to be a little different now. Say heart string equals that. Num hearts is going to be much the same. But we're also going to say, we're going to make num hearts total, I think. So we'll say num hearts total is that, and then we'll say const num hearts remaining, and it'll be the same thing.
Java Grunt has joined the party.
Java Grunt wave. What's up, Java Grunt? Num hearts remaining. How are you today, man? Or woman? I'm not sure. Or anyone? How you doing? So I think num hearts remaining will base off of the actual HP divided by blah, 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 blah. And we'll say heart string is equal to, yeah, empty string to start. And then we'll do
Java Grunt has joined the party.
hey, I started he, him a bit earlier today. Oh, sweet. Okay. Cool,
Java
man.
Grunt has joined the party.
Have no idea what to do first. Started what? Making a Discord bot? Now we'll say
Java Grunt has joined the party.
a bot. Okay, yeah. I started a bot earlier today and no idea what to do. Gotcha. What language are you doing it in, Java Grunt? Sweet name, by the way. I like it. Java Grunt. Love it. So we'll do
Java Grunt has joined the
Java.
party.
Okay, makes sense. I might not be able to help you as much because I'm in the realm of JavaScript. I'm a diehard JavaScript coder. It's just what I grew up with, you know. Like it's what I grew up with, and nowadays it's so powerful. This entire stream is controlled by JavaScript, voice recognition, facial recognition, everything. Music, although that's broken at the moment, but yeah. So JavaScript's just near and dear to my heart, but yeah. Anywho, what I'm trying to do now, I'm working on a little like text RPG kind of thing for my Discord server, Discord bot. It's just a little function, a feature it's going to have where you can fight monsters and stuff in the server. And right now I'm just trying to make an attack function. I'm almost through it, I think, so I'll just grind this out a little more, and then I'll show you what we got so far. So we've got num hearts total, num hearts remaining. So what we can do is we can do a for loop of, how would we want to do this? We're going to be prepending the hearts on, or appending. I guess I can do it either way. Let's do appending. So we'll do the full hearts first. So we'll do for let h equals 1, h is less than equal to num hearts remaining, h plus plus. Then we'll do if h greater than 1, heart string plus equals that space, and then we'll say if, no, not if, we'll just say heart string plus equals, and we'll assign it a full heart. Okay, so we got that. So fill in remaining full hearts. Then we'll do fill in broken hearts, which will be for, let's just reuse h equals 1, h is less than equal to num hearts total minus num hearts remaining, nope, not total, remaining. Java Grunt, what's your bot gonna be, if I may ask? If it's not top secret, please let me know, I'm curious. I'm just sort of re-entering the bot making game, so I'm super curious to hear about what other people are doing too. So we'll say, we're gonna assume that they already have some, yeah, we're gonna assume that they have full hearts already, otherwise I'll show something else. So what is the emoji? It's, let's see here.
Java
Broken
Grunt
heart.
has joined the party.
One sec. Yeah, dude. Broken heart. Boom. And we want a space at the start of that.
Java Grunt has joined the party.
I've got all the kids with me. Oh, yeah, sure. What do you mean all the kids? Are they your kids, or are you like a teacher or something? Because if so, I'm a teacher too, so kudos. Let's see here. So fill in remaining full hearts, fill in broken hearts. So now we've got our heart string, we've got our level, got our name, which is crossed out. Oh, because we didn't store it. So I guess we do have to store name after all. That's fine, we can do that.
Java Grunt has joined the party.
You've got 4 kids. Damn, son. You've been busy. Just kidding. But that's cool, though. How old are they, if I may ask? I never know what's like cool to ask and what's not cool to ask on the internet, you know? I always feel weird about that. But anyways, yes, if you're cool to answer, how old are they? I'm curious.
Java Grunt has joined the party.
I'm going to integrate my Twitch and my Discord. Nice, man. That's cool. You're welcome to join our Discord if you like. It's a
Java
total
Grunt has
shit show
joined the
right now.
party.
Okay, 10, 8, 5, and 3. Cool, man. Nice. The kids I teach are between 7 and 14. Here, I'll shoot you an invite to... yeah, never expire. Cool. I'll shoot you an invite to the to our Discord server if you want to join. No pressure. And you're welcome to paste yours into the server too if you're recruiting. Anywho, I might have to wrap my stream up in a little bit here just because I can hear my mom just got here. But I'll keep it going just a little bit longer because I really want to see if I can get this working. Oh, and I guess the pièce de résistance is, we'll say HP, but we're actually going to do we'll say const updated HP equals HP minus, we'll just give it a default value of like 10 right now. So 10 hit points of damage per person's attack, and they can just spam the attack, so like it's fine. Anywho, so we got that updated. It's now subtracting 10 from the HP. Just make sure we're not using that anywhere else that we shouldn't be, and we're not. So I'm just like dotting all the T's and crossing all the I's before I try this baby out. But I think it might be good to go. So yeah, you know what? Let's just try it. Here we go. /quest. Give me a new monster. Now it always says the interaction failed, and I think that's because I gotta return something or something. But yeah, it's working. Gust Devil. Here we go. Gust Devil. Nice. It's only got 1 heart, 6, level 6, meaning it's not very much HP. So let's do... Oh, but I didn't register the attack command. Gersh darn it. I gotta register the command. Command.create. Attack. And that shouldn't say single player. That should say start a quest. Start a quest. Start a random quest. And this will say attack enemy in current thread. There we go. So now, onwards and upwards. Let's try that one more time. I'm gonna have to clean out so many threads on my Discord when this is all done. Okay, here we go. Quest. Boom shakalaka. Give me the monster. Ooh, interaction failed, but did it? Because sometimes there's latency on this. I think it may have actually failed that time. Oh no, it was just slow. It was slow. It's all good. Ooh, nice, a mud creeper. Cool. And it's only got 1 heart too. Nice, let's kill it. Attack enemy in the current thread. Go. Now this is probably going to say failed, but... Oh, right, but it's only showing the heart. Yeah, darn, okay. Maybe I should update the text as well. So instead of a wild, that's the original, I want to go down here and say, yeah, so instead of, we'll say, we'll update it to We'll say, what are we doing? We don't want the monster message, but we want the interaction. So we'll say interaction dot message. Is that a thing? No. Interaction dot, let's just look up the docs real quick. Interaction. What do we got here? Application ID, client ID, created at guild ID member. Hello. I'm just, oh, thank you. I'm just live right now, so yeah. I'll be out in a minute. Thank you. My mom brought me coffee. So nice. Anyway, so here we go, member. If this interaction was sent by a member, the member which sent it. Perfect.
Java Grunt has joined the party.
Aw, says Java Grunt. Thanks, Java Grunt. Yeah. My mom's a sweetheart. So we got interaction.member dot something dot tag. No, username. Yeah, author dot username. So member dot username. And we'll say at username, or you know, whatever. We'll just say username delt. You know what? Just to make it a little more interesting, why don't we give it a random number for the damage? We'll say const damage equals get random int, and we'll say anywhere from 5 to like 50 damage. You can get critical hits and shit. Damage. Now, so minus damage, we did that. Now we just want to put it in here somewhere. Delt damage to name. Delt x damage to name. Name being the name of the monster. Okay, let's go. Let's try this out here. Again, I'm gonna have like, how many threads am I at now? Quite a lot. At least they auto archive. That's actually a really super cool feature. I love that. So we'll say quest. What happens if I do attack? It's probably just gonna do nothing. Hopefully it won't crash. Yeah, it failed. Now we'll say quest. Spawn us a new monster. Infected Shredder. Let's fight it. Wow, that's cool. I like this one. Oh, it's level 1. Weak. It's only going to have 9 HP. I'm going to kill it in one hit, most likely. Here we go. Oh, it failed, but does it update? Come on now. No, I think we got an error somewhere. Oh, we don't have an error. Damn. We don't have an error, but it is definitely not updating unless it's like really slow. Am I just missing something? Did I... Yeah, monster message.edit. I don't know if that worked, but allegedly not. Let's just try it again, just real quick here. So interaction failed, but that's misleading because it says that on all of my messages. Let's Okay. Where there's a will, there's a way. Monster embed, that goes into the payload goes into the message edit. Is there anything I'm missing? Let's just check what message edit options. That accepts a message payload. So it does accept the type I'm sending it. Just make sure I'm formatting this right, even though I'm 100% sure I am. Yeah, so I don't think that's right. Let's see here. Does it return a promise? Because if so, maybe there's some hint in the resolve data or the reject data. Oops, what am I doing? Edit. There we go. Beep, 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 beep. Edit. Does return a promise with the message. Okay, so const updated message, updated MSG equals await. That guy, console.log, updated MSG. Let's just confirm. Yeah, still hasn't done anything. Okay, so I feel like it would have. My computer's not that slow, even with all the shit I'm running on it right now. Here we go. Let's go. Quest. Start a random quest. Boom. Started a thread. Basalt Strangler. It's a Basalt Strangler. Ooh, it's level 41. It's got 3 hearts, bro. Say attack. Nothing, but did anything get logged? No, nothing got logged yet, so there's a chance that it's just bogged down in awaits, my endless string of async await calls. It's actually not that bad. There's only 2 in this one. If there's anything before the if statement. No, that's it. There's just 2. Oh! Wait a minute, did I even fill in that channel ID? Oh, wait, is in monster thread. This could be false. Is in monster thread. Attack, comma that. Let's shut this down, boot it back up. Okay. Now we'll say /quest. We got another strangler. This one's a rock strangler. Looks like a scary spider. I don't like it. Attack false. Perfect. So that's what's tripping it up right now. So let's just dump out all our guild data and just see where it's tripping up. Blessed freak. Nice. Level 55. Dope. Okay, what do we got? Active quests. There you go. So that should be our... Oh no, that should be the guild ID. This... Oh, interesting. It's not inside of active quests. Why is that? So that'll be somewhere up here where we're terribly initting the active quest data. Oh, that's weird. Quest type, battle, monster, object, yeah. So why is that? Oh, that's why. Goodness me. Let's try this again. This might work now. Woohoo, exciting. Titan Vagabond. Level 16, not bad. Oh, we crashed it. Oh, ABS max health is not defined. Okie dokie. Should probably wrap all this in a try catch again, just so that if it does crash, it doesn't crash the whole bot. No fatal errors. But anywho, in the meantime, we'll fix that. So ABS max health, is this the one? No, that's the first one, that's fine. Here we go, ABS max health is literally just that. So I'm gonna actually move that into the global scope, which I know, I'm a terrible programmer. Come at me. Just global variables that I'm mutating and just being bad. Doing all the wrong things. Oh, I opened KDen Live. That might slow down my computer for a hot second here. There we go. Never mind, we're good. So here we go. /quest. Now, Flaming Ophidian. Whoa, level 50. It's got 3 hearts, bro. Let's attack it. Still something's going wrong. Yep. H is not defined. Are you sure? Oh, wait, have I been doing this wrong my whole life? Where? Oh. H. Yeah, the second one, that's down here. But, cool. Maybe that is, I think that's a scoping thing that I've been thinking wrong in my head my whole life. See, sometimes bugs are blessings in disguise. They teach you things. There we go. Ooh, we got another Flaming Ophidian. Interesting. Attack. Okay, monster message.edit is not a function. Okay, so first up, what is monster message? We need to establish that. Did we even define it in this scope? Yes, we did. Let's log it before anything else. All right, let's see here. And then we'll just return out there, just so we don't break anything unnecessarily. Armed and ready. I feel like by the time I've done testing this and getting it working, I will have seen all of the random enemies. Lead Shrieker, haven't seen that one yet. He's only level 11, weak. Now, it is, oh, it's a collection. Interesting. What is a collection? Let's find out. Not a limited collection, I just want a collection. What would it, okay, fine. Limited collection. What are you? Collection that holds max amount of entries and sweeps periodically. Oh, collection map. Message. Oh, it's message ID keyed. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to say, I don't know if I can, no, I'm gonna try this. Trying some wacky stuff these days. Really just bad syntax, but let's just try this again. Make sure it passes this part. Gloom Creeper. I like that one. Oh yeah, that's a Gloom Creeper, all right. Undefined balls. Okay, well, fine. We'll just say monster messages. Then we'll just say down here, const monster message equals monster messages monst message ID. Now we'll see. Now we'll see who's laughing. Get over that battle. I know you say it failed, but did it really? Because I don't think it did. Oh, wait, yes it did. I did attack. I want quest. Oh, another Gloom Creeper. I don't know how random my random function is, but whatever, I don't really care. It's not the end of the world. Undefined again. That's unusual. Just log monster messages, comma, monster message. And we'll actually throw in comma message ID, just so I can see if maybe I'm getting the key wrong or something. Okay. We're getting there. We are getting there, people. Titan body. Only level 9. Weak. What now? Right. Oh, message ID is undefined? What? That would help. Are you sure? That's not ideal, but it got a message. Oh, but maybe it just... Okay, why is message ID undefined? That makes no sense. Guild data. Let's just also log out. Guild data interaction dot guild ID. Just so we can take a peek at that. Hey guys, I'll be right back. I just want to get my mom and show her what I'm working on because it's fun. All right, see you in a minute. Don't mind me. Making things pretty for my mother. Okay. So, did I even test this one yet? Nope. Blessed minion. And oh right, I was testing out active quests is an object. Attack. Active quests is an object with, that would be the thread ID pointing to the quest object, quest type and monster. Oh, I know why. Adoy. It's because it's buried inside of monster, the monster property. So we just have to go like this. Dot monster. Hello. Alright, we're just gonna yeet this into oblivion and give it a try now. So, welcome to my stream. It looks much the same as it used to, right? You've got people's messages coming up on the side here. Except one thing I've added to the messages is now I give them a random hue value, like in the colors wheel. And I then give their name the pure hue and then the background a little bit of a faded hue. So that's just a nice little visual thing. There's also, as you probably noticed with the huge paragraph flashing on and off, there's also automated subtitles.
Yep.
And the reason the camera's freaking out right now is because all three of our faces are in the camera partially. And it's got, I've built in some facial recognition software into it now.
Okay.
So what that actually should be doing, if I lean forward and my face exceeds a certain size on the camera, like my facial area, it's called, it zooms in like this. And then when I back it up, it goes back to that. It's just Dad's in there too, and it can't figure out which face to focus on. Because also if you lean back, it'll do the same thing. It'll zoom out. But anyway, and then you've also got your stream. Hey Dad, do you mind just stepping like just a little bit to your left? Just so that it doesn't keep bouncing around. Thanks. Yeah, I just want to show and tell what I'm doing. I know. I'm sorry. I'm the director. This is my stream.
Fine.
You just want to throw me off the road for...
No. You're welcome to be a guest star anytime you want. Anyway, so that's thing number one, that one day possibly I could turn into a business. It also has the old voice commands and all that stuff, the music player, all that is still in there. Also there's this feature.
Java Grunt has joined the party.
Thanks, Java Grunt. There's also this feature, which there should be music that goes with it, but the music player is currently broken. So watch this. Ready? I think I'm a wizard.
Yeah, okay.
Oh yeah. And then you can do clear costume.
Boring.
Oh right, that crashes it. Hold up.
Java Grunt has joined the party.
Sorry, Java Grunt, I didn't catch that last message. I just crashed my stream. Just got to bring it back up. Stand by.
Ready to
Just
roll.
take a second for it to not lag out while it's loading the facial recognition networks.
Java Grunt has joined the party.
Let's get this party crazy.
Crazy it shall be.
Dough, says Java Grunt. Yep, pretty much. Yeah, I've still got a lot of work to do on my stream setup. It's got, there's way too many bugs in it right now, but I'm more interested in working on this bot today. Also, you'll notice there's this little face, the little text face beside my face, this guy. And if I open my mouth,
He opens
he opens his mouth.
Java Grunt has joined the party.
Lots of cool stuff. Thanks, Java Grunt. Yeah, I've been working on this stream for a while now, and I'm trying to think of a way I can publish it so that other people can make similarly tech-rich streams, I suppose. And then also, if I go like this, pretty good, right? Okay, so, and also I can click on this and something might be on the back of this eventually, but I haven't figured out what that'll do yet. Anyway, so that's, oh no, there's one more little costume I have to show you, which I think I've already shown you in a video, but here you go, ready?
Yes.
You can't handle the thug life.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's gonna break if I clear the costume, but whatever. I just said it anyway, so clear costume.
Boring.
Okay, so that breaks it. I gotta fix that, but hold on 1 second.
Java Grunt has joined the party.
Java Grunt, I hear you. I'll be right there.
Ready to roll.
Where's Java gone?
The guy watching.
Where is he then?
Where is he? I don't know.
Where is he on the computer screen?
Oh, he'll show up in a sec here. If I just say, let's get this party
Java
crazy.
Grunt has joined the party.
Now
You
it
want
shows up.
crazy? I'll show you crazy.
Very cool. You have set a very high bar, says Java
Java
Grunt.
Grunt
Thanks.
has joined the party.
Oh, he's in Kansas City. There you go.
Java Grunt has joined the party.
He says hello.
Hello back.
I don't know if you caught that. My mom says hello back. Okay, so that's pretty much everything on the stream right now, aside from the music player and the voice of my robot, which you can't hear because it has to go through headphones. Otherwise, he hears himself and he gets all confused. So now what I'm working on, if you watch on the screen here, I will demonstrate for you, is I'm working on a Discord bot, which is to say like a robot user for my Discord, which is basically a fancy chat room. Like, did you ever know about like IRC and stuff like that? Because that was kind of before my time. But okay, anyway, it's just a chat room, but there's lots of different, you can have multiple users on it and lots of different like topics kind of. So, I'm working on a bot right now, which is a little bit broken, but I think I might have just fixed it. So hold on, I'm just gonna save what I had. And yeah, hope that that works. Even if it doesn't, I can show you most of it so far. So I boot up the bot on my computer. This is the bot in question. His name is Tildabot, which is the name for that character on the keyboard.
Oh,
and
yeah.
and in programming, the tilde means home, so it's your home bot. And then which homebot would probably be a better name for it, but anyway, whatever. I'm a nerd. So check this out. Ready? You can register special commands, like DOS commands that you can use in the chat that your bot will listen for and then do things with. So this is what I've got so far. I've got one to make it like a little text adventure. So you type / to tell Discord you're going to use a command, and then you say quest, and it says start a random quest, right? So you hit that, and right now there's only one type of quest, and it's like an enemy fight. But it sends it, and then it comes back, and it says Tildabot started a thread, infected shredder. And you click on that, and it pops up on the side, and look, there's the enemy. Get him! And so a wild infected shredder has appeared. There's a picture of him, and then he's only level 1, and he's got 1 heart, so he's a wimp. So if all of my bugs are working, I might be able to kill him. But if all of my bugs are fixed, but they're probably not, so it's probably going to crash here. But then there's this other command /attack, and you do that. And then, does it work? No, I don't think it worked. But anyway, that's how you would attack. But the cool thing about this is that everyone in the chat room can do it simultaneously. So it's not just you playing the text game, it's all the people who you're chatting with who are also playing the text game with you. Right? Yeah.
I see.
Oh yeah, so message edit still failed on me. So I guess monster message isn't anyway.
That's cool. Okay. I need to go to the loo.
Okay.
So can we look at a laptop sometime soon?
Yes, very soon. I just want to see if I can clear up this last bit, and then I'll hook you up. Okay.
Man.
Alrighty.
Bye, Java Grunt.
Did you catch that, Java Grunt? All right, let's see. So we just must have right, because it's a collection. Oh, maybe. Hold up. Wasn't there like a get? Like a get function on that or something? Monster messages dot get. Message ID. I don't know. Let's try it out. Armed and ready. /quest. Let's go. Shiny Hunter. Whoa, Shiny Hunter indeed. Level 15, pretty good. Attack. So still same diff. Monster messages get is crashing it. But what are we getting here? What's this log coming from? Attack with an object. So it's, yeah, attack right here. Guild data, attack. Let's just say, so console log monster message must still be undefined, basically, is what we're getting at here. So let's just go Discord JS fetch single message by ID. Maybe there's a thing for this. Get message by ID, discord.js. Fetch message is no longer present, blah, blah, blah. Fetch from the messages property. We did that. Documentation is right here. Where is fetch message? Show me fetch message. Methods. Oh, fetch message controller, but that's not fetch message. Ball. Manageable members messages, yeah, message manager. Now let's see what how fetch works. Channel logs query options. Let's just console log message ID, make sure we've got that far. Just label it. Message ID. Let's just triple, quadruple confirm that that's actually coming through now. Shadow Pup. Whoa. Level 8, bro. I'm realizing now that those high level enemies are actually quite rare, which is probably a good thing. So, yeah. But I feel like we could...
Java Grunt has joined the party.
Thanks for the good stream. I need to bounce. Take care. Of course, Java Grunt, thank you for tuning in. And keep it real. Good luck on the Java bot. Good luck on the Java bot, Java Grunt. You got it. Okay. Now. Ready? Message ID. Boom. So we've got the message ID. Okay. Got the message ID. Now we need to fetch it properly, which I don't think I'm doing here. Parameter message. The ID of the message to fetch or query parameters. So, fetch blam. Then message. Message.content. Oh, maybe... Hold up, maybe it is actually working now and I'm just silly and I fixed the other bug where the message ID wasn't coming through, but now, and maybe that was the underlying problem. Oopsies. Queasy. Maybe that was the underlying problem and now it's actually good. So let's see here. Infected shredder. Level 1. Get wrecked. Monster messages .get. Yeah, okay. Oh, but now we didn't even log it because we didn't even get that far. Balls. Yes, so I bet you this is actually just the monster message now. You know what? I'm even gonna bank on it. No debugs here. Oops. No debug. Alrighty. Sorry. Text from my girlfriend should probably reply. See if she'll come say hi. Shiny Hunter. Attack! Undefined dealt 11 damage to Shiny Hunter. Sweet, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Alright. Now why am I undefined? That's my only last question. Interaction.member. So that isn't a thing. Allegedly. Look up interaction member. Okay, it is a thing. Guild member or API guild member. What's in guild member? Do we have a .username? No, we don't. User that this member instance represents. User dot username. Hey. Let's try that out. Again, kind of just taking a wild swing at this, but here we go. Armed and ready. Quest. Go. Shadow Masher. Ooh, look at the Shadow Masher. He looks sweet. Sarek then dealt 21 damage to Shadow Masher. Sarek then dealt 32 damage to Shadow Masher. I don't think my heart meter is showing properly. That's my only beef. Because level... Okay, let's do some math here. So, we've got level 4. Let's just tweak that a little. Maybe a little... Gotta love Ubuntu, man. Anyway, here we go. Ditch that comment now, because that actually works. So, okay, there we go. So, that much. 1773 is the max health. So we need to do some math here. So we gotta do, so let's see. This guy is level 4. So 4 times 9. 36. So he should have 36 health. So he's definitely dead by now, meaning my display logic for the hearts is not working, or it's not updating properly, one or the other. Pardon me. Actually, it is updating because it's updating the little message thing here, so that is actually working. Let's see. We'll say, so 36, no, what is it? Yeah, 36 divided by, yeah, actually that would be pretty small. That is probably a 1, or, yeah, and then you seal that, that goes up to 1, or no, yes. Let's just JavaScript test this. Yeah, so that gives you 1. Okay. So that actually is right for the display, but it's not updating to show broken hearts. So that's not quite right yet. Oh, unless, let's just every step of the way. Wait, did I even update? No, I didn't. That's why it's not working. So you'd have to kill him in 1 hit, I think, the way it's currently set up. So, terribly init, active thread. And then we'll say terribly update state. Then we just want to say this guy right here. We just got to make sure we're referencing the right stuff. So it's just monster thread, really. Which in this case, that's guild ID, oh yeah, channel ID. So it's channel ID is the monster thread ID. And the guild ID is this one. Okay, and then active quests, channel ID equals this. Monster is, do we have monster message defined? Yep, so monster message.id, that's fine. HP is now updated to updated HP. And max health stays the same, level, name, that all stays the same. So yeah, let's try it. Wow. Quest. I love the way this is all laid out too. This is awesome. Love what you've done with. I love what you've done with the Place Discord. Uh-oh, a Basalt Strangler, level 41. That means he has... how much HP? He's got 41 times 9, 369 HP. Holy cow. Attack. Oh, nice. We broke a heart. 38 damage. Really? That broke a heart? I mean, I'll take it, but like... whatever. Attack. Attack. Dealt 10 damage to Basalt Strangler. Now, the only thing I'm seeing already is that we're definitely going to have to pin the message so that they can like check on the status up there. 23 damage. You. $19 damage. Nice. So the first heart went down really easy, and now the other ones are taking way more. Yeah, I definitely need to pin that message though, now that I'm getting into the actual gameplay of this. I don't know. We're gonna have to do that for show. That's old coffee. I'm gonna put that over there so I don't accidentally drink it. Now, I need to, you know what, actually, this is alright. I can live with this. So now, that's my to-do. I don't need to be in there right now, but what I do need to do is, yeah, right, pin the message. So, pin, message.pin, perfect. Pins the message to the channel's pinned messages. That's it? Alright. Cool. So, back in here, monster message is await send, and then we'll just say await monster message dot pin. Dude, that's too easy. Too easy, bro. Oh, too cool. Does it actually show the updates in general too in that message? Oh, dude, yes. Here we go. Frost Shrieker. Okay, Tildabot pinned a message to this channel. So now I'm gonna say, so he's level 48, so he's a bit of a tank, this one. Sarikdan dealt 48 damage. Oh, it doesn't. It shows the latest message. I wonder if there's like options to pin it silently. Pin. Yeah, no, there's no parameters. Darn. Okay, that's fine. We'll figure it out. That was kind of just a nice to have anyway, so whatever. It's fine. Test. Okay, so you can still see like the running dialogue and stuff. I guess it's cool. That's cool enough. So now, let's jump into the actual channel. 32. Nice, we cracked one of his hearts. Hello? Where's my commands? Uh-oh. Did we crash? No? Oh, okay, it's just having a moment. Alright chaps, well I think we've managed to get the main bit of this attack spawn system working for the text RPG multiplayer awesomeness. Now I am going to sign off for my stream. Thank you very much for joining me on this adventure. I hope to see you in the future, and for now I'm going to have to say goodbye. Bye bye.